Morning. Today we are going to see about the fluid mechanics unit 1, fluid properties and flow characteristics. Define fluid. A fluid or liquid it is capable of flowing and has no own shape but conforms to the shape of the containing vessels. A fluid is a substance that continually deforms under a applied shear stress. Liquids are like water, milk, air, steam, oil, and etc. Matter exists in two states. One is solid, and the another one is fluid. Fluid state being commonly divided into two states. One is liquid and a gaseous state. Fluid mechanics. First of all, we are going to see about the what is fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is the branch of science which deals with the behavior of fluid at rest as well as in motion condition. This is the branch of science deals with the static, kinematic and dynamic aspect of fluids. That is first one is fluid statics. Fluid statics means the study of fluid at rest condition. That is fluid statics. Fluid kinematics. Fluid kinematics means study of fluids in motion where pressure force are not considered. That is called fluid kinematics. The pressure forces are also considered for the fluid in motion. That is the branch of science is called fluid dynamics. Next one is we are going to say about the properties of fluid. The first property is density or mass density. It is denoted by rho. Density or mass density of fluid is defined as the ratio of the mass of a fluid to its volume. Simply is denoted by mass density or density is denoted by rho, that is m by v, mass by volume. Its unit is kg per meter cube. This is the first property. Then the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. The density of mercury is 1,13,600 kg per meter cube. Sorry, 13,600 kg per meter cube. Next property is specific weight or weight density. It is denoted by small w. The specific weight or weight density of a fluid is the ratio between the weight of the fluid to its volume. Simply, weight per unit volume of fluid is called specific weight or weight density. Small w is equal to capital W divided by V. That is, weight is equal to weight of the fluid is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. This is the formula for weight, mass into acceleration due to gravity. So mass by volume is already a density rho. So small w specific weight small w is equal to rho into g. Okay. Here the specific weight of water is 9810. Specific weight of mercury is 132943 Newton per meter cube. Next one is specific volume. Specific volume of a fluid is defined as the volume of a fluid occupied by a unit mass or volume per unit mass of a fluid. That is, small v is equal to volume of fluid divided by mass of fluid. Already we know that density rho is equal to mass by volume. This specific volume is the inverse of density, mass density. So that is 1 by rho. V is equal to 1 by rho. The unit is meter cube per kg. Next the property is specific gravity or relative density. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of density of fluid to the density of a standard fluid. Here the standard fluid is taken as water. So it is denoted by S. S is equal to density of fluid divided by density of standard fluid. Then density of fluid is equal to S into density of standard fluid. So this is the formula. Next one is the viscosity. This viscosity property we'll discuss in next class. Thank you.